Welcome to your French class. Today's topic is les adjectifs interrogatifs. As in English, we do interrogative adjectives. The same way, we are going to learn how to use adjective interrogative in sentences and which word do we use for that. In French, masculine, feminine matters a lot. As I always tell you, all the living and non-living things have their gender. So you have to keep that thing in your mind while doing any exercise. So let's start. Quel means which and what. Quel, masculine singular form. When you are writing it in this way, it is masculine singular form. And when you double the letter L and add E, then it is used for feminine singulars. Now we are adding S in masculine singular form. Quels. We have just added S and we have converted this masculine singular form into masculine plural one. Now again we'll do the same with feminine singular case Quelle, and here we have added S for all the feminine plural cases. Now we'll do one exercise. Now see the first sentence. Dash livre lisez-vous. Now every time you have to see the word that is written after the blank if the word is masculine or feminine or is written in its plural form. So the first word is masculine singular. Now we'll come to the second sentence first. Dash robe portes-tu. Now robe word is feminine and it is written in feminine singular form. Now the third statement. Dash romo achetez-vous. Now romo word is written in its plural form, so it is masculine plural. Now the last one. Dash matière étudies-tu à l'école. Matière is subjects and it is written in its feminine plural form. So we write here feminine plural so that it gets easier for us to write here the right case. Okay, now we'll start. First blank should be written with masculine singular and the masculine singular form of Quel is Quel. We'll write the spellings here. Quel. Now the sentence is like Quel livre lisez-vous? Which book do you read or which book are you reading? It's a question now. Now dash robe portes-tu. Now robe feminine singular. We'll come to this case that is feminine singular and we'll write here the spellings with double L-E. Quelle robe portes-tu? Which dress you wear or which dress are you wearing? Now it's a question. Which dress are you wearing or which dress do you wear? Dash romo achetez-vous. Now romo is written in its masculine plural form. We'll come to this case masculine plural form where Quel is written with S. Quels. Quel romo achetez-vous? Which, now here the plural one, which novels are you buying or which novels do you buy? Now the last one, dash matière. Matière word means subject is written here in feminine plural. We'll come to this case, feminine plural, where Quel feminine form is written with S. So we'll write the spellings. Quelle matière étudies-tu à l'école? Which subjects you are studying or are you studying at your school or which subjects do you study at your school? Now the next statement is dash saison adorez-vous. Saison word is feminine. Here it is given in feminine singular form. Now come to the next statement. Dash est votre sac. Now here we are talking about sac means the bag. Bag is masculine word and here it is written in singular form, masculine singular. Dash est votre plat favori. Here in this statement we are talking about the dish plat. So it is also masculine singular case. Dash est votre numéro de téléphone. Here we are talking about the telephone number, the number. It is masculine singular form. Now we'll fill these blanks with the right form of adjective interrogative. The first one is feminine singular. So which case we should take? Yes, this one, feminine singular. We'll write this here. Yes. Quelle saison adorez-vous? Quelle saison adorez-vous? Which season do you like? Dash est votre sac. Now, sac is masculine singular. So, we'll take this case. Masculine singular, quel. Yes. Quel est votre sac? Which is your bag? Now, the next one. Dash est votre plat favori? Here in this statement, we were talking about the dish and plat word is masculine singular. So, we'll again come to this case and we'll write here. Quel est votre plat favori? Which is your favorite dish? Dash est votre numéro de téléphone? Numéro, I have told you it is masculine singular. Again, we'll come to the same case and we'll write here. Quel. Quel est votre numéro de téléphone? Which is your telephone number? So, this was about the exercise and the way how we use adjective interrogative. If you have any question related to this topic, do ask me in the comment section. Thank you.